GitHub is a platform that facilitates collaborative software development using version control and project management tools. Here's a concise guide on how to use GitHub. Sign up. Create a GitHub account if you don't have one. Choose a plan based on your needs. Create repository. Start by creating a repository for your project. This serves as a centralized location for your code, documentation, and files. Clone repository. Use Git commands or GitHub Desktop to clone the repo to your local machine. Add and commit changes. Make changes to your code and use Git commands to add and commit those changes. Write meaningful commit messages. Create branches. Create branches to work on specific features or fixes without affecting the main code base. Pull requests. When your changes are ready, create a pull request to merge your branch's changes into the main branch. Code review. Collaborators can review your code changes, suggest improvements, and discuss them within the pull request. Merge and deploy. After the pull request is approved, merge the changes and deploy to the production environment. Issues. Use GitHub's issue tracker to report and track bugs, feature requests, and other tasks. Project boards. Organize tasks using GitHub's project boards, which help you manage your workflow visually. Wikis and documentation. Create wikis and documentation within the repository to explain your project's purpose, features, and usage. Collaboration. Invite team members as collaborators to contribute to the repository. Forks. Fork repositories to create your own copy that you can modify without affecting the original. You can then create pull requests to suggest changes to the original. GitHub Pages. Use GitHub Pages to host static websites directly from your repository. Explore and learn. Explore other open source projects on GitHub, contribute to them, and learn from their code.